To better explain the content, we often need to add multiple attachments in PDF. Purchase our WPS Premium, and then you can use the Insert Attachment feature. By using this feature, you can directly open the attached file in the original PDF. Take this PDF as an example. Click the Insert tab, then click Attachment. At this time, click the place where we want to place the attachment, then find the file we want to insert in the pop-up dialog box and click Open. After that, an attachment icon will be generated on the subsequent page. We can drag to change the location of it. When the mouse is placed on the icon, a floating window will pop up to prompt the file name. Double-click the file icon, and then we can check out the attachment. In addition to ordinary files, we can also insert audio files, video files, etc. Isn't it convenient?